TEC is a telecommunications general contractor. What we do is we build the infrastructure that makes things like the iPhone work. We build the towers, we put the antennas on top of tall structures to broadcast and receive the signals from the cell phones. We put the cabling in place that carries those signals down to the ground, to the equipment, and we put in the infrastructure that ties that equipment back to the utility grid. So we do everything involved with behind-the-scenes part of cell phones that make the technology work. We work for all four major cellular carriers: AT&T, Sprint, T-Mobile, and Verizon. I think there's a lot of opportunity to learn new skills. I think there's a lot of room for growth and advancement for people who are motivated, people who want to grow and develop as a person. We're trying to do things sustainably to make this a career, not just a short-term job, and we want this to be good for them and for their families or their support structure at home. I think that's something that we offer that's different than others in the industry. The cell phone industry is a fast-paced industry. The work is fast-paced, the hours can be long, but there's a lot of variety which people like. You're working indoors, outdoors, rooftops in cities. You're working in the middle of nowhere on the top of a 500-foot tower on the North Shore of Minnesota. There's just a wide variety of places you work. We're on these sites for typically no more than a week or two. Mill City TEC headquarters is a beehive. Monday mornings we have safety meetings. We have all of our crews here typically on Monday mornings. We are loading up their trucks. We are sending them out with the instructions to go to the different job sites. During the week, we're preparing, staging the equipment and the materials to go out for the next week. We also do technical services. We do petroleum work, so we do petroleum service calls. We have a crane. Our crane is coming and going. Our yard's busy. We have a lot of trucks, a lot of equipment, a lot of people flowing in and out of this place all week long. We've got a talented team who's engaged, and we'll go and build your project safely, efficiently, and honestly. That's what sets us apart, and that's why we are successful.